I don't care how bad this lighting is. Ashley's was done in a park yesterday with me in it. So technically I'm doing 2 this week because I vlog bombed him. We were really, really hyper. Don't ask. So I've been doing a lot of thinking this week. And like there are 2 types of thinking. There's normal person sort of level 1 thinking, where like your main thoughts, you think a lot, but you're thinking, what should I eat for tea tonight? Did I leave the back door open? You know, sort of mundane things like that. And then there's like smart person thinking, where you're just like, what is the meaning of life? Why are we here? What does this equation mean? And yeah, so I was definitely doing the dumb person thinking. And it sprung to my mind that YouTube has got to be like the only community where it's just totally socially acceptable to just not wear pants. To totally just talk to as many people as you want without wearing any pants. It's pretty cool when you think about it. And also pretty rapey. I'm not wearing pants. Giggity. Don't bloody ask. And how does that make you feel? This is sort of a randomy vlog because I don't know what to say. I am really tired. I went to my friend's yesterday for sort of a film day. Ended up staying over. We watched horror movies to like, well, horror, psychological thrillery things. It was meant to be like a kids movie, but it was like really fucking creepy. Like Coraline. No way was that meant for kids. Sewing buttons in the places of people's eyes. No, not for kids. Anyway, watching 3am. Watching movies till like 3am. So I am absolutely fucking shattered. And I went to sleep again when I got in. And got back up about 1ish. Went downstairs, had some lunch. And who calls? Other than Gorgeous Red Cross guy. I forget that he calls on a Friday. I mean like gorgeous, as in like, yeah, your donation is in my room. This way, kind of gorgeous. He's just so gorgeous. And I went to the door looking like Medusa. I'm not just exaggerating. My friends told me that I look like Medusa in the morning when I just wake up. It's horrible. I'm surprised I didn't turn him to stone. It's not a good day. You might be wondering why my hair is like this. It's because I'm trying to prove a point to Ashley that I won't look like a convict if I get a side cut. Well, what do you guys think? Would I look like a convict? There won't be this much hair on the side, obviously. But will I look like a convict if I get a side cut? I don't think I will. I think it'll look good, especially since I'm dyeing it slightly lighter than it is now. Not like blonde, but like lighter than this. Yeah. What do you guys think? Because your opinion matters more than Ashley's does. Yeah, I said it. Deal with it. I'm going to help. If any of you make a gif out of that, I'm gonna kill you. I don't even know. So this weekend is Halloween, and Halloween is my favourite holiday of the year. This is gonna be like a super happy fun time vlog. The phone? Really? Hello? Hello? Fucking cold call. No one on the other side of the line. That's really fucking creepy when that happens, isn't it? Like you're in the house alone, and you'll just get a phone call, and you pick up and you're just like, hello? No, my dog's going crazy. This is creeping me out now. Especially if it's Halloween this weekend. I'm being attacked by serial killers. Save me. Actually, I'm kind of freaked out now. I'm just going to stay on my bed until my dog stops barking. And I stop being freaked out. And I stop getting blank calls. I'm on Facebook to cheer myself up. I'm going to come back to you when it's less creepy. My dad's home, and the cold calls have stopped, so I can stop being so much of a wuss now. Can't help it, I'm home alone, and even though I live in the middle of nowhere, literally surrounded by old people and cats, I still manage to get freaked out. This is my dad. Hi. He's amazing. I tried on my Halloween outfit, and I don't know what I was thinking buying it, but it was like 16 quid, and it came with a novelty size syringe, so I don't regret it that much. It'll be alright. It's not slutty, which means I don't look good in it. Like most Halloween costumes are like boobage, and they got like all thin, and they got like a corsety bit on the back, and like little skirts that you can practically see through. Yeah, well, I had one of those sort of last year. It was a cat outfit from Leg Avenue. It's on my Tumblr, actually. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I'm learning it to a friend this year. And I thought, oh, I should go for something more conservative. I have a boyfriend. I don't want to be flashing everything I got. The fuck I don't mean. But nonetheless, I'm going as a zombie nurse this year because I can, and it's not slutty at all, which kind of defeats the point of Halloween, really. Sad feels. What are you all going as? I want to know. What are you all going as for Halloween? Cause yeah, I just told you I'm going as a zombie nurse. I'm not showing you my glasses yet, have I? Glasses party. I've been told I look like a secretary. So, fun time. I'm gonna keep these on for the rest of the video because I don't have Ashley's seen me with glasses on before. My hair's coming unpinned. Ashley's seen me with glasses on before. But I don't think the rest of you have. See? The side cut looks even better with glasses. I don't look like a convict, Ashley. But yeah. Super happy fun time news. I've been watching too much Philip DeFranco. I'm so making that face in the next photo that's taken of me. Bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba da bum ba da bum bum. Yeah. The theme's dancing. I can do what I want. God, I'm in such a weird mood. Why does my laptop keep dying? Does it not love me? Am I really that scary? That just looks weird. No, I just look weird. Correction. Erection. Protection. Deflection. Oh yeah. I'm the next Eminem. Bet you all saw that come in, didn't you? I'm gonna stop recording and try and put some of this video together so that it actually makes a little bit of sense. Oh, I need more sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna put some of this together. Forgive me my sins.